new video. I am doing a minimalist diaries this week on the channel, and I'm headed home to California from Philly, which I've been in for 2 weeks. So I thought I'll just kick the week off here and show you all my week, because I haven't done that in a while on this channel. The last 2 videos have been away from the house. Off of work, it is Tuesday. I don't know if I updated the vlog today. I don't think I did. It is Tuesday, and I am running to the car to drive to my nail appointment because they look a little crazy. I'm going to get them shorter this time, and I think I'm gonna do a yellow mini, or is it yellow micro French tip? I was gonna do like a double line situation, but not really feeling it anymore. I'm gonna go short and do a butter yellow micro French on it because I did that on my toes. Because I don't think I've ever mentioned this, but I am ticklish and I do not get pedicures at the nail salon. I do them myself. And yeah, so that's where we're headed. And I'm gonna come back, get a workout in today, finally. And yeah, me and my boyfriend are gonna discuss what we wanna sell, donate, and keep, because we are moving at the end of next month. Well, we'll still have this apartment until October, but I'm officially moving in for good into the Philly apartment. So yeah, we're gonna do that tonight, which is exciting. Don't want to get copyrighted, but love that song. Is this song good? No. Okay, we're in and out in record time. It's 40 minutes. We went shorter and micro French butter yellow. Love them. Juneteenth, and I have the day off. Yesterday was a bust. I got my period and just was not feeling the day, so just worked the full day and didn't end up going to LA to this influencer event with my friend Taylor, which I'm sad about, but I couldn't, and I had a lot of work to get done. We have Juneteenth off, and I have to go to a lab appointment and to see my doctor. Those should be 2 quick visits, and then we're going to get some food because I did fasting labs. It wasn't required, but I like to do fasting labs for whatever reason. In my head, it just seems better. So I fasted this morning and didn't have breakfast, so I am on the verge of getting hangry, but I think I can make it to these appointments. And we're going to go to the movies. I want to see The Materialist. I don't know why, but I'm in the mood to watch a movie that's not in the house, so I'm gonna go check that out. We made it to the market. Our first stop is pizza. And then I think I'm gonna go to this Mexican spot, and I'll probably get some fries from which barbecue place? That one you going to, or this one?
Well, I don't know if I'm gonna get it or not.
Oh, okay. chips, but I ordered some fries. And then I got matcha from Take Your Seat and two different, a biscuit cookie and a ube cookie. That's from the movie. And then Chris is over there getting sausages. It's yummy. Work from a cafe today. I got a ube vanilla latte with ube cold foam, so I'm excited to try that. And I'm gonna get some work done. Saturday morning and I'm about to make some breakfast. Last night we had a really delicious bibimbap bowl. I made a delicious spicy soy sauce dressing out of my, I'm going to show you, out of my Korean vegan cookbook by Joanne Lee Molinaro. And I'm going to use some of those ingredients for my breakfast, and I'm gonna have a side of fruit, and then we're gonna go to the gym once my food digests. Not digests. Making the frittata, and my fruit looks delicious. And now we're going to dress her up. This is that soy sauce, spicy soy sauce dressing. It's green onion, red onion, garlic, gochugaru, and soy sauce, rice vinegar, mirin, and something else, jalapeno. Give her a stir. Drizzle, drizzle. My camera is going to die, so I'm going to enjoy this lovely breakfast and do a 5-minute journal, read a little bit, make some coffee, and then head to the gym. We spent a few hours, and this is how she looks. I washed it, took the curly hair out, straightened it, and put my clip-ins in because I don't like to wear my natural hair out. It's just too much to do on a regular basis, especially with going to the gym. Even these clip-ins, it's a lot of maintenance. And I don't know why I decided to crimp my hair tonight, because I'm not doing anything. But tomorrow, I am. So I was like, let's see if the crimps will hold, because I don't want them too perfect tomorrow. I kind of just want like a loose wave. Hello vlog.
Oh, you're
Came to LA to meet with Taylor and do a content day.
Hi.
We're about to scarf our bagels now and then start shooting for her campaign.
Have you told the vlog you're moving yet?
I have told them in the last video, but I didn't go into detail, which I'll probably
She just
do.
told me, and I'm just like, what?
I broke the news to her today.
I'm like, were you gonna tell me before we met? Like,
No, I wasn't. I was going to tell you when I got here.
I mean, like, what if we never met up though?
Well, I
hope you would've told me.
Because I would have
Okay.
like had something before. I'm pretty sure we would have met up before I left.
Yeah. I'm depressed.
She's like the only person I care to meet up with before I leave, honestly.
Oh, stop it.
Yeah.
She's like, I'm moving across the country casually.
back
She's like,
to the East
I'm so
Coast.
ready. Bye. I'm like, oh,
To
okay.
everybody else but Taylor.